Now let's talk about the difference between anabolic steroids, TRT. What do people understand so far? What's the misunderstanding around it?
Three major differences. First and foremost, there's a segment of drugs known as PEDs, just like there's a segment of drugs like amphetamines, right? And under amphetamines, there's multiple things. That includes cocaine all the way to Adderall. The same thing is true with like steroids, which is one form of PEDs, performance enhancing drug. Steroids is a classification of drugs, anabolic androgenic steroids. Second thing within that category is the person who's doing steroids, they are using multiple drugs across multiple receptor cells, but they also have what's known as supra physiological levels, which means that we talked about that 300 to 1,000 being the normal range. They might have, as an example, a gentleman named Dallas Carver, a professional bodybuilder who died at the age of 26, tragically, had 52,000 nanograms over deciliter. He died in his autopsy having 52 times the level of normal testosterone. And the third thing that I would say as well is when you are buying steroids, they are not made in a pharmaceutical grade, quality controlled situation. They are probably made in some place like Moldova or other countries, China, etc., that are then made, and they're made probably under underground labs. So they're made illegally as opposed to being made, as example, at Pfizer.